What do you think say they happen here? I know say as you dey look am now, you go dey wonder say wetin dey happen. How I take get two glass cups where I fill water, but inside the two glass cup, two egg dey inside. One dey float and one dey sink. I know say some of you wey dey like argue, you go dey think say this egg now, I don open am somewhere and I make am dey float. Na lie o. Na real eggs dey there. In fact, if I comot these two eggs now, put am for front here, use only one egg, put inside here, e go sink. And if I put am inside here, e go float. Even if I change the egg, still put am inside here, e go sink. And if I put am here, e go float. Now you go dey ask yourself, wetin dey happen? Wetin be this thing? Oyama break am down fast fast give you. This one na we dey call density. This is exactly how density work. I know say you go dey ask yourself now, say which one be density again? Calm down, ma break am down. I no wan waste time. Density, na im be how they dey take measure how much mass dey inside a given volume of anything. You know say na water na im dey here now. And this water, as we pour am inside this glass, e get amount of volume wey dey here. Density na im dey tell us how much mass wey dey packed inside this water. Now wey you don understand density, you go dey ask yourself how density take dey make this one dey float, dey make this one dey sink. Ma break am down fast fast. I no wan waste time. Oya listen, ma tell you how density dey work. You see this thing now na water. Water get im density. You see this one na egg, and egg get im own density as well. But how density dey work be say anything wey in density pass water, if you put am inside water, e go sink. Anything wey water pass in density, if you put am inside water, e go float. So your question now go be say, this one wey sink, e mean say in density pass density of water, and this one wey float, e mean say the density of the water pass the egg. But how e take happen? If egg get the same density and water get the same density, now you dey come. Wetin dey do here be say one of this water get more density than the other. This one wey dey float like this now, e mean say e no be fresh water again. Impurity don enter am. You go dey ask yourself again, say wetin be impurity? Impurity na anything wey go enter water like this, e go change its normal behavior, or change its density, or change its boiling point, or change its freezing point. Na im be impurity. As this water dey so now, na fresh water, and this one, impurity don enter am. As impurity enter am, you notice say the density don change. Now, how we take know? Normal water in density na 1.00 gram per cm cube, while egg get density of 1.03 grams per cm cube. So because egg get 0.3 grams per cm cube more density than water, na im make if you carry egg put inside this fresh water, e go sink. Now this one wey impurity don enter, that impurity don make the density of the water to become higher than the egg. Na im make if you put egg inside this one, e go float. Wetin be the impurity wey we put inside this one? The impurity wey we put inside this one na sodium chloride, or you call am salt. Na salt wey you dey use cook for house, na im we put inside this place. Let's say you carry water pour inside cup like this. You carry a calculated amount of salt put inside, turn am. You fit even no notice any much different for the volume. E fit even dey like say na the same water wey you put there na im still dey. But wetin you go notice be say the behavior of the water go change. Like the density wey you see here now. The time when I pour this water, the both of them I pour am the same time. Na clear water. In fact, when I pour the water, I carry the two egg put inside and both of them sink, to show you say na fresh water na im enter. Then I carry calculated amount of sodium chloride, which is salt, pour inside. As I turn the sodium chloride, it come melt, and I come put the egg on top. Wetin we notice be say the density don change. That one wey salt enter come dey float, while the one wey salt no enter, e dey sink. That's exactly how salt can change the density of water. Oyama teach you something. You see those countries where snow dey fall well well. E get countries wey dey this world wey be say e get time when e go reach for the year, snow go dey fall there well well well. You see those countries, whenever snow fall come cover the road, sometimes ice go full for the road. You no go fit drive car, because if you drive your car, the tire go dey slide. You see those countries, when something like that happen, then they carry salt go spray for the road. You know why then they carry salt go spray for the road? If you know why, pause this video and tell me in the comment section. But if you don't know, the reason why then they spray that salt on top that ice we don't cover road, na to reduce the melting point. They want reduce the melting point because the moment they carry that salt introduce for that ice, they don't introduce impurity. As impurity don't enter the ice, it go change the melting point of that ice. So if to say that ice go be take 1 hour before it go melt, that impurity will enter and will be salt fit come reduce the melting point to 20 minutes. So instead of them to dey wait 1 hour before it go melt, after 20 minutes everywhere don't melt. If it go be take 30 minutes before, that thing fit do am, it go take only 10 minutes or even 5 minutes, just because they don't introduce salt wey be impurity into that ice. Now let me know in the comment section if you don't learn something new today. If you have learned something new, make sure to give it a like and share with your friends so that they will also learn. And if you want to watch more scientific related videos, make sure you're following me so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.